Welcome! In this video, we'll explore a wide range of English words starting with the letter R. You'll learn their meanings, Spanish translations, common collocations, and practical examples to help you understand how these words are naturally used in everyday English. Let's get started.
Rye, a type of grain used for bread and whiskey. He bought a loaf of rye bread.
If you enjoyed learning these words, don't miss our video about different types of bread. In that video, we explore baguettes, sourdough, rye bread, and much more.
Rung, a step of a ladder. He put his foot on the first rung of the ladder.
Rung refers to the horizontal step of a ladder, while step is used for stairs in a house or building. He slipped on the top rung of the ladder.
She sat on the front steps of the house. In English, there are different words for escalera. Stairs, the steps inside a house or building, used in everyday speech. She went upstairs using the stairs. Staircase, the whole structure of the stairs, more formal. Example, the staircase in the hotel lobby was very elegant. Ladder, a portable set of steps, usually made of wood or metal. He used a ladder to fix the roof. Rum, an alcoholic drink made from sugarcane juice or molasses. He ordered a glass of rum. Ruby, a precious red stone. She wore a necklace with a ruby pendant. A necklace is a piece of jewelry worn around the neck. It can be just a chain or a chain with a pendant. A chain is the necklace itself, and you can add a pendant to it. She wore a silver chain with a small cross pendant. Pendant, a decorative piece that hangs from a necklace or chain. I received a pendant for my birthday. Rolling pin, a tool to flatten dough. She used a rolling pin to make the pie. Rook, a chess piece. He moved his rook in chess. Radish, a small red root vegetable. She added radish to the salad. Rosemary, a fragrant herb for cooking. She added rosemary to the chicken. Rosebush, a bush that grows roses. The garden has a beautiful rosebush. Rotate, to turn around a center point. The earth rotates around the sun. Roster, a list of people or duties. The coach announced the roster for the upcoming match. The roof of the mouth, the top inside part of the mouth. The hot pizza burned the roof of my mouth.
A robe is a loose piece of clothing worn for a specific purpose. A bathrobe is worn at home after a bath or shower, while a judge's robe and a monk's robe are special garments worn as part of a profession, role, or religious tradition. She put on her bathrobe after taking a shower. The judge entered the courtroom wearing a black robe. The monk wore a simple brown robe.
Rod, a stick or bar. He went fishing with a rod. He bought a new fishing rod for the weekend.
When fishing, you usually use a fishing rod to cast a fishing line into the water. The line is wound around a reel, and a hook is attached to the end. Fishermen often put bait on the hook to attract fish.
Riverbed, the bottom of a river. The riverbed was dry in summer. Ravine, a deep, narrow valley. The hikers crossed a ravine. Route, a way or path from one place to another. This is the fastest route to the city. Raisin, a dried grape. She put raisins in the cake. Rubble, broken stones or bricks from destruction. The building collapsed into rubble. Razor, a sharp tool for shaving. He bought a new razor. Razor blade, the sharp blade inside a razor. He changed the razor blade. Rake, a tool for gathering leaves. He used a rake to collect the leaves. Rubber is a flexible material used in many everyday objects. For example, tires are made of rubber, gloves can be rubber, and a rubber band is a common small item. Sometimes we mean industrial rubber, like in tires, and sometimes just soft rubber, like in gloves or balls. Rule, to control or lead a country or people. The emperor ruled his empire with strict laws. The Democratic Party ruled the country for 8 years. Ruin. Ruin has different uses in English. As a verb, it means to spoil something. The rain ruined our picnic. As a noun, ruins are the remains of old buildings. We visited the ancient ruins of a Roman temple. As an adjective, ruined can mean destroyed or bankrupt. After the crisis, many small businesses were ruined. Ruthless, having no pity or compassion. The ruthless king showed no mercy to his enemies. Round, circular in shape or a stage in a process. We sat around a round table. We had a round table discussion about the project. The Knights of the Round Table were the legendary warriors who served King Arthur in medieval stories. Round a part or stage of an activity, competition, or process. The boxer won the second round. She advanced to the next round of the tournament. Rough, not smooth or harsh. The wall felt rough to the touch. He had a rough day at work. Rock bottom, the lowest point. After losing his job, he hit rock bottom.
Rock bottom can mean the lowest point in a situation, while rock bottom prices means extremely low prices. The store is selling laptops at rock bottom prices.
Rise, to go up, increase. Prices continue to rise every year. Rebel, a person who resists authority or to resist. The rebels fought against the army. Teenagers often rebel against rules. Riot, violent public disorder. A riot broke out after the match. Rig a large equipment or a big truck, often used for oil platforms or long-haul trucks. An oil rig was built off the coast. The trucker drove his rig across the country. Rig, to dishonestly control the results of something, like an election or a game. They rigged the election results. The game was rigged from the start. Revive, to bring back to life or consciousness. The paramedics managed to revive the unconscious man. Revive, to regain energy or spirit. A cup of coffee in the morning always revives me. Revive, to bring back something old or forgotten. They are trying to revive traditional crafts in the village. Resurrect, to bring someone back from the dead, often in religious or figurative contexts. The story says Jesus was resurrected after 3 days. Resurrect, to bring back something that has disappeared or fallen out of use. The company tried to resurrect an old brand. Bring back to life is very similar to the word resurrect, which means to rise from the dead or to revive something. The paramedics managed to bring the woman back to life after the accident. The new chef brought the old restaurant back to life with fresh ideas. Revise, to look over and correct or study again. She revised the essay before sending it. I need to revise for my math test. Reverse, to go backward or opposite. The car reversed into the garage. The decision was reversed by the court after new evidence was presented. Return, profit from an investment. The return on his investment was high.
ROI, the amount of profit or benefit gained from an investment compared to the amount of money invested. ROI measures how much you earn from an investment. Investors look for projects with a good ROI.
Restore, to bring back or repair. The mechanic restored the old car. Peace was restored after the talks. Resemble, To look like, she resembles her mother. This house resembles the one we saw last week. He looks like his father. Rebate. Money returned after payment. The company offers a $50 rebate on this phone if you register online. Reflex. Automatic body reaction. Blinking is a natural reflex. Reflect. To bounce back light or think deeply. The glass skyscrapers reflect the blue sky. The sunlight reflected off the surface of the water. He reflected on his mistakes. He took a moment to reflect on his achievements. The dirt on the streets reflects the lack of civic responsibility of the people. Refer. To mention. Talk about something. He was referring to yesterday's meeting. Refer. To consult a source. Please refer to the user manual for instructions. Refer. To send someone for help or information. The doctor referred her to a specialist. Refectory, a large dining hall. The monks gathered in the monastery refectory for their midday meal. Reduce. To make smaller. These shoes are on sale at a reduced price this week. Drivers must proceed at a reduced speed in the construction zone. Raid, sudden attack, or police operation. The police made a raid on the house.
Raid. A sudden attack or operation carried out to achieve a specific goal. The soldiers carried out a raid on the enemy camp at night.
Rare, unusual. It's rare to see such a beautiful rainbow in this city. Rare, undercooked, meat. He ordered a steak rare.
When talking about meat, rare means lightly cooked. Medium means cooked to the center but still pink. And well done means fully cooked with no pink inside.
Rear, the back part. The car hit the rear of the truck. The garden is at the rear of the house. Rear can also mean to bring up or raise children or animals. It is more formal than raise and is especially common when talking about farm animals. They rear cattle on the farm.
When talking about animals, rear means to raise, feed, and care for them until they are fully grown. It is similar to raise, but rear is more commonly used in farming and livestock contexts. The farm rears cattle and sheep. They raise chickens for eggs. Livestock, farm animals raised for food, wool, milk, or other products. Thank you for watching. I hope these words with the letter R help you grow your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice with the examples and check out my other videos for more letters and useful expressions. See you next time.